Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Judge Me on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, how do we start using Judge Me on Shopify? Well, the first thing we need to do here is we need to access our Shopify store. So you go to shopify.com, log into your account, and access your store. Now, at the bottom left, go ahead and click on Settings. And from here, you want to go to Apps and Sales Channel. From here, click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now in this case, we need to search for Judge Me and install it into our Shopify store. In this case, go to the search section. In this case, just type in Judge Me. And from here, you should be able to see the app itself. In this case, let's go ahead and choose Judge Me Product Reviews here. From here, let's go ahead and click on Install. Now, in this case, it's going to redirect you to another window, which in this case is going to ask you if you really want to install the app into your store. Now, in this case, let's go ahead and just confirm that by clicking on the install button that we'll be seeing on the next page. Once you've done that, it should initiate the process of installing the app, and once the app is installed, it should redirect you to the onboarding stage. Now, in this case, you just need to follow the steps that they'll be showing you for you to start using Judge Me into your Shopify store. So, in this case, first things first is you should be able to see the homepage of the Judge Me here and be redirected to onboarding. In this case, just wait for it to load up. So in this case, choose your language here and where you would like to install it. In this case, let's go ahead and install this to our current theme. Let's go ahead and click on Start Setup. And from here, it's going to say Enable App Embed. Let's go ahead and click on Enable App Embed. It should open up the editor itself. So in this case, just wait for it to load up. Once it's actually loaded up, you should be able to see the app embed at the top left. So in this case, just make sure that you have it allowed. So usually it's going to be in green once it's actually allowed. But once you're sure that it's actually allowed, you just need to click on the Save button at the top right of your screen. As you can see, it's now allowed. So let's go ahead and click on Save at the top right. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to go back into Judge Me and just click on the next step. Now, in this case, once you've done that, it's going to now say install the review widget. Let's go ahead and click on install review widget. It should redirect you back into the editor, which in this case, you just need to install the app widget itself. Now, typically, it should show you the widget at the left section here. Now, it will automatically install that. As you can see, it's now going to be automatically installed, which is something really cool since installing the app itself can be kind of hard, especially if you're pretty new, but they will actually do this for you immediately or for you. In this case, let's go and click on the section here for review widget. So in this case, once it's actually added there, let's go and click on the save at the top right. And from here, let's go and go back into our Judge Me here, click on next step. Now, in this case, what we need to do next is we just need to basically install these star ratings. Let's go and click on install star ratings. And again, it will automatically add the star ratings into your store here. Just wait for it to load up or basically reload. And once it's actually reloaded, you should be able to see the star settings or embed now installed into your Shopify store. And again, just click on the save at the top right once it actually appears. Now, as you can see, it's loading up. So let's just wait for it to load properly. And from here, as you can see, star ratings is now added. And as you can see, it now has the star ratings. Now, if you want to reposition this, you could just basically press and hold on it and drag it anywhere you want to. In this case, let's go and click on Save. From here, let's go back to Judge Me and click on Finish. Now, it should complete the onboarding process and you're now ready to start using Judge Me. Now, if you want to manage your reviews, collect reviews, or manage your widgets, this is where you'll be able to do it. Like for example, go to manage widget reviews. You should be able to, from the name itself, manage your reviews if you have any. If you want to manage your widgets, just click on widgets and you can change a few aspects of your widget. Like for example, we want to customize our review widget here. Let's go and click on the customize. And from here, you should be able to change a few things. But in this case, there are going to be some limitations because we are only using the free version. But if you want to access the advanced options here, like widget theme, border style, and a lot more, you need to have the upgrade plan. But in this case, that's how you install and use Judge Me into your Shopify store. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.